Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. These are 9 ways to style your crochet braids. And I'm going to show you not only 1, but 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and actually 10 ways how to style. But before you start, you'll need these items: a hair clip, hair pins for tucking and hiding, and also a comb for teasing, because these are crochet, and also a hair tie. Let's begin. All right, so I get a lot of clients who want bangs, and I be telling them, like, listen, you can do temporary bangs. You do not have to cut your crochet at all. And by doing that, you're going to place the amount of hair that you want in front of your face as a bang. And that's, you know, as far as density goes. And then you just take the hairpin and kind of pull it back to the length that you want it. As you see I'm doing right now, there are little pieces that are sticking up, but honestly, you just go and tuck it in with the hairpin. It's really easy. It doesn't take much time. And yeah, that's how it goes. And by the way, this can be done with any type of crochet braid, you guys. I love this style because it's temporary. I don't have to cut the hair and get upset about it being too short or anything. This is all temporary. If I don't like it, I can just take it out and there's no fuss about it. And yeah, like, that's literally it. I feel like it looks really good. It's not my kind of style, but I will consider probably wearing it because, I don't know, I just like to switch it up. And on to the next style, which I think is my personal favorite. It's so quick, so easy. I can honestly just wear this anywhere. It can be worn anywhere. It's just that all-around hairstyle. And you can do this with bangs or without bangs, but I love bangs. I love to have a little twirl to it. And then I just take a clip and clip the back, which I'm doing now. And as you see, I'm just tweaking a couple pieces. I feel like this is only necessary if you are going to an outing, like a wedding, you know, somewhere very elegant. So that way everything looks more uniform and neat. Nothing too major. Once again, just tweaking a couple pieces. And this is the finishing. So cute. All right, next is the sister style. It's the last style I just took it out, but this one is going more so up with the clip in, and also there's a side bang going on. If you don't want to show too much forehead, that's totally fine. You can always do a side bang, but what I like about this style is that you can wear it with a backless top or backless dress to a wedding or to an outing. It doesn't really matter. Once again, you can dress it up or down. It's totally up to you. Very quick, very easy, very elegant. And if you're extra like me, you go ahead and use that comb and tease the edges to get that natural look and hairline. And then you want to make sure you tweak up the, you know, the hair that's in the clip, because right now my curls was not looking 100% what it's supposed to look like, because I just rushed these curls. I just wanted to make sure that the hair curled, and it did. So excuse it looking raggedy, but also too, I really like it to look as natural as possible, so I wasn't really stressed about it looking so neat. But if you want a video of me doing that and really taking my time with this, then let me know. And look at that, it still looks good. You see what I mean? It still looks good. And look at the sides, so natural, so beautiful. It looks like it's coming out my scalp. Yeah, give it to him. All right, so the next style is a simple half up, half down hairstyle. This obviously can be done with the bang as well, or not. I feel like this is like everyone's go-to when they're wearing crochet. Anybody can do it. it's really not that hard. You want to go in with either a clip or a hair scrunchie, but this time I'm gonna make use of the scrunchie because it's here, and get that in. And what I like about this is that I could probably go to the gym with this hair if I'm not doing any extensive crazy workout, because truly when I am doing a workout, I do not want any hair on my neck. And of course, teasing the hair and the hairline to give that natural effect is literally it. And look at it, looks so cute, very simple. I love it. And of course, I gotta show you guys what it looked like with the bang. Still looks so good. It just adds a little bit of razzle dazzle to it, you know what I mean? Nothing too crazy, still gorgeous. But anyways, next style we have is something I've never tried before. I did see a video on YouTube of this girl doing this where she kind of put her hair to the side, and then she took that piece and then used the other piece on the other side and tied it in the back to give a little cute swoop. Oh my god, it was so gorgeous. I think she did this with her natural hair, so I was like, let me try it with the crochet braids, let me see what it's actually giving. And honestly, it's actually one of those hairstyles that you could truly wear up or down. It's totally up to you, and I am actually a fan of it. I might have to do it one day. And you see, it's so pretty. I really like it. I really do like it. I'm gonna have to use this one day. I don't know when, but maybe while I'm on vacation, I'm gonna do one of these styles. It's just too pretty, very simple and easy to do. All right, on to the next one. At this point, I'm kind of like trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this next one. I honestly was in my head about it. These are all off the dome, by the way. I am not the type to style my hair all the time, but for the sake of the video, I feel like this is necessary because a lot of people they want to know how they can wear their crochet braids and how they can make it a little bit more elegant. So this is one of those styles that you can do, which is almost like the first style with the bang, but the only difference is it's all like it's put up. It's giving me Beyonce B-Day type hair, and honestly that's my favorite era of Beyonce. So I was like, yeah, I love this. So I'm definitely doing this on vacation with, you know, a cute bomb bathing suit, maybe even a backless top or dress. So I'm adding a little razzle dazzle to the ends or to the back of my hair just to see what it's giving, and it looks really good. I like it. It's very messy but still so cute, as you can see. And then for the finale, we are going to do something very simple. This is honestly my gym hair. I will usually tie it up in a bun, but I just like tie it up in the back and keep it very simple. Add a little bang if I really wanted to be a little cute, you know. And yes, that is the end of the video. If you want more ways on how to style your crochets, please let me know. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.